I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Toyota Camry headlights full guide. Park on level ground, face a wall 25 feet away, and mark headlight centers. Gather tools like a screwdriver, tape measure, and masking tape. Turn on low beams and note current aim by drawing crosshairs on the wall. Adjust each lamp slowly and recheck both sides until beams are centered and aligned with the reference lines. Start by identifying your Camry's adjuster screws and selecting the correct screwdriver size. Measure 25 feet from the wall and mark both headlight centers with masking tape. Create a horizontal line at the headlight height and vertical lines centered on each lamp to see beam placement. Have someone sit in the driver's seat or add equivalent weight to match typical driving load for accurate aim and repeat adjustments as needed. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more car care tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and cleanup easy while you work on projects, and they save time between adjustments. I find them handy for garage snacks and bolts alike. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With low beams on, adjust the vertical screw until the cutoff line sits on the horizontal reference. Adjust the horizontal screw so the brightest spot is slightly right of center. Turn screws in small increments and step back to reassess after each move. Check both headlights to ensure symmetry and that beams do not blind oncoming traffic. Test drive on a dark road to confirm effective illumination and make fine tweaks if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.